Hi, welcome to Hey Kitchen. Let's see how to do a vegetable kurma today. And I'm using half cauliflower, 2 carrots, and green sprouts, which is the green gram moong sprouts, and 1 onion, 2 green chili, some ginger to taste. And the dry ingredients are roasted gram dal or dalia dal, fennel seeds, somph, clove, cinnamon sticks, some cashews and cranberries, and 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. If you don't have coconut milk powder, you can use fresh coconut, a pinch of garam masala powder, red chili powder to taste, and salt. So let's see how to do this kurma. So in a pan, I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add these fennel seeds, clove and cinnamon. Once it's slightly roasted, I'll be adding the onion, green chilies and ginger. And once we saute them well, we'll be grinding it with the dalia dal into a fine paste. You can see now the onion is nicely sauteed. I'm going to add first the dal into the mixer, and I'm going to give it a spin so that if you add onion with it, it may not grind well. So I'll powder this first, and then I'll add the sauteed onion with all these, and also the coconut milk powder, and I'll be adding red chili powder and salt. And I will grind them into a nice thick paste. So I'm planning to do this kurma today in instant pot. If you don't have instant pot cooker, you can just let the vegetables boil in water. Once it's cooked, you add this mixture and the kurma is done. So because I'm doing it in instant pot, I've added the vegetables and I added 2 teaspoons of salt, some red chili powder and garam masala powder as per your taste, and then I'll be adding the masala that we have ground masala, and then I'll add enough water, and I will be keeping it in instant pot. In the instant pot, I chose the option stew, and I am cooking for 20 minutes at pressure level high. Once it's done, I'll be serving this with dosa. You can see now the kurma is ready, and it smells amazing, and I cooked it for 12 minutes. Initially, though I said 20 minutes, I felt it may be overcooked, so I reduced it to 12 minutes. So here is a crispy dosa with a delicious kurma which was made in 20 minutes, and you can serve this with paratha and rotis, and you can even have it with rice. If you like this recipe, please leave your comments below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Hey Kitchen.